and also destruction, like the atomic energy, E equal to mc square Einstein. You can generate power and also you make atomic power. This kid asked the question, how the children like us, we can always do science for creativity rather than for destruction. What a question. Beautiful question. So, the answer to the question, very thoughtful, I thought of it. Only thing is, any science, always, you see for example, this word what I am talking is a result of the mind. The telephone, result of the communication, so good communication results. So aircraft, you can make a passenger jet, and also you can make a fighter jet also you can make. So nuclear power, you can generate power, you can make nuclear power. So children like you always work for the science, the positive side of science, useful side of the science, so that the world will become prosperous and happy. Okay? Good question. Now, I understand the time is over, but my mail, remember my mail, apj@abdulkalam.com. apj@abdulkalam.com. Any one of you, any question, if you send me 24 hours, I will reply you. And also if you want an autograph, you send a mail to me, autograph if you need, you will get autograph and photograph. Okay?
Thank you very much. Now we will have vote of thanks. Please everybody stay in your seats for a few more minutes. We will be almost done. And after the vote of thanks, we'll be calling each school one at a time. So the kids will disperse one school at a time. We do not want any stampede of the kids or adults or anything. There's almost 600 people are in this room. Please follow the instructions. We want the kids to be safe. So we will have the vote of thanks now. Then Bharati will announce the dispersion of the kids, and the volunteers will help to go in a line, so we will all be safe. Thank you very much.
I'm really honored today to do vote of thanks on this occasion of his visit, His Excellency Abdul Kalamji. His Excellency APJ Abdul Kalam is a name that stands for simplicity, respect and scientific magnanimity. Sir, it is a great honor to have you grace this occasion with your presence. Your journey from very humble beginning to being the President of India is indeed deeply inspiring. It reminds me of Mr. Obama's election slogan, yes we can. Your presence today has energized the occasion and will stay alive in the hearts and minds of every child who is part of this occasion. It is not every day that we are presented with an opportunity of being part of a program graced by a man of your stature. Sir, on behalf of the children and SV Temple management, we would like to thank you for sparing your valuable time. Thank you once again for taking the time to visit us. And thank you, Mr. Mayor, for coming and joining us, and also the City Council members. And thank you to all the parents who made all the effort to get the kids here, even on a working school day. Thank you, sir. Thank you again for visiting us. Thank you very much.
Please everybody stay in your seats until the president leaves. We want everybody in the auditorium. Once His Excellency leaves, we will announce how to leave and give the instructions. Please stay in your seats. All of you, please stay in the silence.
Please sit down. Remember, we have the quiz. Okay, we have the quiz, right? Remember that? Okay, whoever stays, you get the prizes. Okay, we are going to ask some questions on the speech just you heard. Okay? Get ready for the questions. You stay where you are. All kids are ready now? For the questions. What are the four things Dr. Abdul Kalam told everybody today? What are the four things you have to remember? coming to you. 4 things you have to remember. What are those 4 things? Okay. What is the first thing? Imagine is not the first thing. Okay, I'm coming to the big kids. I need all the 4 things you need to tell me now. Stay in your seat. I'm coming to you. Okay, what are the 4 things? Great aim. Okay, great goals, acquire the knowledge is the second one. I need the third one. I need the third one. Okay, you guys. Okay, third one. What is the third one? Third one is hard work. Is that right? What is the number 4? This is very tough. I don't even understand the number 4. You can tell the number 4. Outside. Okay guys, everybody gets a prize if you sit. Everybody gets a prize if you sit. If you stand, you're missing the chance. Yes. What is the number 4 thing? 4th thing. It's very tough too. Okay. What's the number 4? No.
కాశీ గారు అనౌన్స్ చేద్దాం అందరూ పిల్లలు వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు. All the kids please, we want the that line, last 5 rows, kids please stand and then please go to your parents. Last 5 there. We just don't want any more stamping there. All the other kids please sit down. All the other kids please be seated. And please, SV Temple volunteers, please, can you assist the kids to go to their parents?
Okay guys, sit down. I'm going to, okay. Last 5 rows. You can go to your parents now. Last 5 rows. And then,
Okay, the next 5.
I want to see the hats kids. Stand up, hats kids. Okay, stand up. And you all get the prizes. If you go, tell your dad and mom that you listen to the speech. So you get the prize. Make sure all the parents buy them something, okay? Because they deserve a prize tonight. Okay? Yes, I'm going to tell your mom. Okay? Everybody, you all get a prize because you remember this speech. Okay, next match kids, you can go home. Thank you guys. You get a prize too.
Good.
Okay, slow and steady, slow. Yeah, you got a prize from your mom and dad.
இல்லைங்க.
Fourth year.
அது பிள்ளைங்க வாசித்தோடனே இந்த 4 பிள்ளைங்கள மேலே அனுப்பிச்சுட்டு இருந்துருக்கணும். அதனால என்ன பரவாயில்ல இருக்கு.
பார்த்ததே போதும்.
பார்ப்போங்க.
ஓகேங்க. நல்லபடியாக இருந்துச்சுங்க. நன்றிங்க.
ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட். இன்னொரு பொலிட்டிக்கல் ஈவென்ட்டில் சந்திப்போம் சிவானந்தன். வணக்கம்.
க்ளோஸ் பண்ணால் ஆகுமா?